Citizens are keen on starting a business of their own and have no access to banks. Let's take a look.
Amartha is a financial technology company that assists with lending money to people, allowing them to create their own business. Known as UMKM, that stands for Usaha Mikro Kecil dan Menengah, or Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises.
So here in Amartha, we provide a platform for everyone to lend money and borrow money through us. So we call it a peer-to-peer lending platform. Through Amartha, borrowers who come from unbanked communities who live in rural areas can have access to better affordable working capital through the platforms. And they don't need to get access to the banks to get working capital, but publics can lend their money so they can get more affordable rates.
Amartha targets people who have no access or was declined access to banks, which can be found mostly in rural areas. People in rural areas keen to start or continue their business can reach out to Amartha to get investors to invest in their business. The minimum an investor can invest is 3 million rupiah and will get a return of 19% profit with their investment with Amartha. The minimum time is 1 year, and investors will get their return after the end of that 1-year period. However, borrowers are encouraged to make a group of around 20 people. This is done to help with the covering up of the payment if the business is unsuccessful or the borrowers are unable to return the money. So we go to Bogor to look more into the businesses that Amartha has helped, such as Rina, that made her own warung or shop from the money she got, selling a variety of finger foods and drinks.
Digotong-gotong seperti itu. Terus lama-lama saya kenalan sama orang Amartha, lupa saya namanya siapa, kenalan lama-lama saya nyari orang buat kumpul-kumpul seperti itu. Akhirnya kita dapat pembiayaan 3 juta buat bikin warung.
Similar to Rina is Indah, who sells clothes hangers. She has been in this business for 12 years, but used to store all the products in her house. Now she has a storage room of her own.
Bikin gudang ini juga jadi semakin gede gitu. Kan dulu di rumah, sekarang dibuka gudang ini.
Amartha believes in the Indonesian philosophy of gotong royong, which means cooperation. Vandana Nanwani, MNC World News, Jakarta.
And after the break, a special creation of